Hi guys, I am going to show you a quick little invitation for my girls. I don't always do this, but I do sometimes when I feel like they don't feel like being outside, and I like to do these every so often for them, and they're really fun. And you can buy these on like Etsy. I know people sell these, but I like to make them just because it's really easy. This took me like 5 minutes, and I'm going to show you exactly what's inside. But these containers are from IKEA. I like them because they're stackable and they're only $3. However, there's one main thing that I don't like about them, but other than that, I'm going to tell you what that main thing is when I open it. But yeah, so let me show you real quick what's in here. I'm thinking about starting like a every Thursday video called maybe like, I don't know, Thursday invitations or Friday invitations or something like that, and just quickly show you guys these types of things that I do for my kids. Okay, so let me show you. So what I don't like about these containers is this part sometimes comes undone, and it will like, I'm going to show you guys. So it will like come off like that, and it drives me a little insane. But if that doesn't drive you crazy, then these are kind of cool. All right, so they both got the same exact thing. There you go. See, it came off. Drives me nuts. They both got the same exact thing. And I try to base it around what they're currently playing with. Right now, Lyric and Maya are both kind of obsessed with these little, they're from Grappa, I believe. And Lyric likes to call them gnomes. So I put those in there with these that you can buy in the garden section of, I think it's a garden, well, whatever. You can get them at Michael's. They have like decor or little like, you know, like decorative pieces like this for your little like fairy houses and things like that in your garden. Okay, so both of them got some of these. Two of them broke already, but I just glued them back together. They're really easy to glue back together. And then these is from an old jewelry, like a bracelet or necklace. I got some wooden sticks. I got these at a thrift store a long time, or no, a consignment sale. I had a humongous amount of beads from a consignment sale. I made some green Play-Doh, and then these little baskets I got from a thrift store. And then inside are these that are awesome for a light table, but we're just going to use them here right now. And I had a huge bag of these at a thrift store. I'm telling you guys, if you've been watching me, you know I love to go thrift shopping. And then I just put some twigs because they always like to use twigs. For Maya, I put one of these in there. Lyric really doesn't use those anymore. I mean, I have a big one if she really wants it. And then they also have obviously access to everything that's in here, which is a lot. And a lot of times they will utilize a lot of stuff that they find in here. So it just depends, you know, but yeah. So let me know if you enjoyed this video and if you think it's a good idea for me to do like Thursday invitations and show you guys the kind of things that I set out for my girls sometimes. And I'm not always going to show my face in these videos because they're really short. I hope you enjoyed this video. I talk to you guys later. Bye-bye.